Yo, this is a video for a 2011 Range Rover. Stay tuned.
Okay. 350?
Okay.
Yeah. So here's the key. Starts up. Nice. Cool. Alright, y'all, we got this beautiful 2011 Range Rover. Very beautiful condition. Love it. Love every bit of it. That's negative.
Here, I'm entering the Jaguar Land
There we
Rover
go.
system, selecting all keys lost and following the procedure. You need 2 keys, but I know a trick where you only need 1. So here's the procedure. It's pretty simple. Forward. Take a look at this.
Boom. It cycled, it beeped. Bam. Number of matched keys is 1, meaning that this is done. I can start it up with another one. It says it started with 2, but I'm gonna just do 1 just because I want to. And I know 1 is fine. So now that I know that that's fine, cool. Look at that. It unlocks, it beeps. The hazard lights flash, meaning that this is registered. Okay. 350?
Okay.
Yeah. So here's the key. Starts up. Nice.